Sitting at the end of the bar, staring down that whiskey glass. Two empty stools beside me, like nobody else can pass. I slid up slow, tipped my hat, tried to crack a little smile, and carrying this empty feeling, figured you might know it for a while. You saw me coming from a mile away with that look, last name on first meet, darling. That's the oldest trick in the book. You think buying one drink fixes lonely? I've heard that same said line from every heart that swears it's different, till the morning light shines. I said I ain't here to play games. Life's been kicking me around. House feels like a graveyard. Silence is the only sound. One dance, one chance, let me show you I'm the real deal. I'll be a safe place, your wild heart. Just tell me how you feel. You said everything I offered sounded sweet, but you could see the fear. I wasn't chasing you, I was running from the mirror in my rear view. Dear, you've been that empty house before. You know that desperate kind of cold. I gotta warm my own damn soul before I let anybody touch my soul. You don't have to be lonely no more. But fix what's broken inside you first, before you come knocking on my door. Every pretty word I drop just showed where my broken pieces hide. I talk like love's a band-aid, but I've seen what happens when the high subsides. You don't have to be lonely no more. Yeah. But fix what's broken inside you, darling, before you come knocking on that door. I don't have to be lonely no more. Damn, you're right. That's why I'm still alone on this floor. You don't have to be lonely no more. But some things you gotta fix before you come knocking